Hi everyone! Welcome back sa aking channel. For this video, ang lesson pa rin natin ay integral calculus. After knowing the 4 basic integration rules, ay magsasagot tayo ng mga integrals ng algebraic functions. Ang ating problem number 5 is find the integral of 1 over cube root of x raised to 5 with respect to x. Before we continue, please like, follow, and subscribe to my social media accounts. Again, ang problem natin is, what is the integral of 1 over cube root of x raised to 5 with respect to x? Again, kapag ganito ang ating expression, hindi pa natin siya pwedeng applyan agad ng basic integration rule kasi ito ay naka-radical symbol. So, ang una natin gagawin ay i-convert natin itong cube root of x raised to 5 into fractional exponent. Siya ay magiging the integral of 1 over x raised to 5 over 3 with respect to x. And then, ito pwede natin kunin yung reciprocal at applyan ng negative exponent rule. Ito ay magiging negative 5/3. Mako-convert na siya into the integral of x raised to negative 5 over 3 with respect to x. Kapag ganito na yung ating expression, pwede na natin siyang applyan ng power rule. Ang magiging integral niyan ay x raised to negative 5 over 3 rather plus 1 over negative 5 over 3 plus 1 then plus arbitrary constant. And then, isi-simplify na natin itong expression. Ang negative 5 over 3 plus 1 ay negative 2 over 3. Kaya ang next line of solution is x raised to negative 2 over 3 over negative 2 over 3 plus c. And then, isi-simplify pa rin natin ito kasi ito ay naka-division of fraction. So, ang mangyayari is yung x raised to negative 2/3, i-multiply natin reciprocal ng negative 2 over 3. So, siya ay magiging x raised to negative 2/3 times negative 3 over 2 plus c. Ayan. So, ang i-multiply natin is numerator 3 sa x raised to negative 2/3, may iwan yung 2 as denominator. Therefore, siya ay negative 3x raised to negative 2/3 all over 2 plus c. And then, dahil ang exponent natin is negative 2/3, para siya maging positive 2/3 ay ibababa natin sa denominator. Kaya ang answer natin ay negative 3 over 2x raised to 2/3 plus c. And then, pwede rin natin i-convert yung 2/3 into radical symbol. Kaya pwede rin nating final answer is negative 3 over 2 cube root of x squared plus c.